So the next muscle group we're going to focus on foam rolling is the big quad muscle. Now we're going to work into the front portion of our hips and into our legs. So we're going to maintain the foam roller on the ground in this position. Now I'm going to show you two different variations of this. The first variation is going to be foam rolling both quads at the same time. So foam roller down here, we're going to put our legs on the foam roller. We're going to get in almost an army crawl position, and we're going to be rolling all the way up and down our quads with the foam roller. Now if we want to single out each leg individually, we're going to just slide over, position only one part of the quad, and we'll do the same thing in the army crawl position and roll back and forth here. Now a good cue that I like to give is you find that tender spot into the quad and you're going to flex and extend the leg, maintaining the position on that tender spot. You'll continue and do 5 reps, and then after you finish your 5 reps, you finish out, do 5 quick rolls. So those are two different ways to foam roll the quads.